Okay, good day class. So I am Mrs. Luwalhati Samojo, your mathematics teacher for today. So we're going to discuss the first part of quarter 1, module 2. So what is our objective? So after going through this lesson, you are expected to find the arithmetic means between two terms of an arithmetic sequence. So before that, let us have first our review. Okay. So let us recall what is an arithmetic sequence. So this is a sequence in which the next term is obtained by adding a constant number, which is d or the small letter d, to the preceding term. Okay, so in general, we have the general rule. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 multiplied by t. So don't forget the general rule. So this will be the important things that we're going to use on our next lesson. And what is that? So that is the arithmetic means. So what is an arithmetic means? So this is the term or terms. So it can be one, it can be many. Between any two non-consecutive terms, so the first and the last terms, or the first and the last term in arithmetic sequence. So let us have an example. So example 1. Insert an arithmetic means between -8 and 14. So, in illustration, this is the illustration. So, -8 blank, 14. So, nawawala natin ngayon yung middle term or yung nasa gitna. So, since tatlo lang naman yung ating terms at yung nasa gitna yung nawawala, we can find that by using the average. So we can add the first and the last term and divide it by 2. So we have -8 plus 14 over 2 is equal to 6 over 2, and that is equivalent to 3. So therefore, the arithmetic means between -8 and 14 is 3. Okay. So, kasi isa lang naman. So, that is arithmetic mean. What about the next example? So, example 2. Insert 4 arithmetic means between 5 and -25. So, meron na tayong 4 na arithmetic means. So, may 4 na terms sa pagitan ni 5 at ni -25. So, how do we find out? Now, if we're going to illustrate, that is 5 blank, 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 -25. So, how can we solve for that? So, let us have the given. So, we have n is equal to 6. So, how can we have n, which is 6? So, bibilangin natin ilan lahat ng terms. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we have 6. Now, what about a sub 1, which is 5? So, obvious naman, 5 is our first term. A sub 6 is -25, which is the last term. Pang-anim siya, di ba? Kasi nga n is 6. Now, the problem is the difference. So, what is the common difference ng ating arithmetic sequence? Importante yan in order for us to find out what will be the number that we're going to add to the first term to find the second term, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and the sixth is already given. So, hindi na natin hahanapin. So, paano ba natin yan hahanapin or kukunin? So, to find for D. So, now I have here A sub 6 is equal to A sub 1 plus 5D. So, bakit ako nag-come up sa ganyang formula? So, since given ang A sub 6, which is n, so we can have that one. A sub 6 is equal to A sub 1. Given din naman, so we are looking for the D. Now, so let us substitute. A sub 6 is -25. This is equivalent to 5, which is A sub 1 plus 5D. Bakit ba naging 5D yan? So, kung matatandaan nyo, the general rule in arithmetic sequence is A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1. So, n is 6 minus 1, so this is 5. Okay? So, yun yung ating explanation doon. Next. So after that, we're going to get the additive inverse of 5. So it becomes negative 25. So negative 25 minus 5 is equal to 5D. So therefore, negative 30 is equal to 5D. So negative 30 divided by 5. Bakit divided by 5? Para makancel natin yung 5. So therefore, the difference is negative 6. So, D is negative 6. So, yan yung number na i-add natin sa first term para makuha ang second term. Okay? So, how will it be? So, D is negative 6. So, therefore, to find for A sub 2, eto si A sub 2, so we're going to have 5, which is A sub 1 plus negative 6, which is our difference, that will become negative 1. So therefore, we have negative 1 as our second term. Next, what about the third term? So we have negative 1. Dahil nakuha na natin yung A sub 2, siya naman yung i-add natin sa negative 6 in order for us to get the third term. So that is negative 1 plus negative 6 is equal to negative 7. So therefore, the third term is negative 7. What about the fourth term? So that is A sub 4 is equal to negative 7, which is the third term, plus negative 6. So dahil parehong negative, add negative 13. So therefore, the fourth term is negative 13. Next, what about the fifth term? So isa na lang, kompleto na. So we have negative 13 kasi yun yung fourth. Tama. Then plus negative 6. So again, add them because we have the same sign. So the answer is negative 19. So therefore, we have negative 19 as the fifth term. So the arithmetic or the four arithmetic means between 5 and negative 25 are negative 1, negative 7, negative 13, negative 19. Okay, so that's all for the arithmetic means. So the next lesson is arithmetic series.